Hi everybody, it's Miss Chris from the Free Library of Springfield Township. We're going to do some crafts today. First one we're going to do is a tiger puppet. We're celebrating the year of the tiger for the Chinese New Year. You're going to get a packet of supplies. You want to start with the rectangle piece of orange paper. You're going to take in, we're going to first take and fold it in half, give it just a tiny little crease, makes it in the center. And then we're going to do these in thirds. You're going to take one side and fold it in third, hitting that crease that you just made right there. Fold that side up. And then you're going to fold this side in to match it. So these two sides are going to meet each other in the middle. And once you have them meeting in the middle, you can do one of two things. You can either glue them down or you can give them a little bit of Scotch tape. For right now, Miss Chris is going to put some Scotch tape on them just to hold them down. Okay, once you got them nice and tight, you're going to take and flip the paper over so that seam that you just made goes down. Then you're going to take this piece of paper and you're going to fold it back in half. Okay, so now that seam that you had, you're going to see the top of it. And you're going to give that a good hard press right there and make it a good fold. So now this paper is folded in half. Now you're going to take this side and you're going to give it a fold back about 2/3 of the way. And ultimately, we're going to make what's going to look like an M. And see, I'm going to fold it back about 2/3 of the way so that it's going to look like that. And you're going to give it a good hard press. And you're going to flip this over. And you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side so that these two sides match up on the bottom. Just like that. Okay? And ultimately, your fingers are going to go inside of here and make a little puppet. So now what we're going to do real quick is we're going to take and cut out some ears. So we're going to just do those ears are a little big. So 2 yellow ears, and then, so you have yellow construction paper and you have orange construction paper. So you want the orange to be smaller than the yellow because you're going to take the orange and you're going to glue it on the inside of the yellow to make yourself some tiger ears. Oh. I'm going to trim that tiger ear down a little bit. He's going to be a little big for our tiger head. Oops. And then you're going to take and you're going to glue on the top of here. And you're going to stick it inside the head so that it doesn't bother your fingers. So it's going to go inside right there. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing to the other one. Trim this down just a little. So we're going to need a little bit more space in there. Otherwise, we're going to have 2 very large tiger ears. Oh, well. So again, you're going to glue the front of the orange and you're going to stick it on the inside of that pocket. Doesn't matter which pocket you choose. Okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your yellow piece of paper and you're going to cut yourself an oval. And this is going to become your nose. Okay? And you're going to want a black marker. And on your oval, you're going to want to draw a triangle on the top and a line down the bottom. And you're going to color it in. And add some dots for some whiskers. And then you're going to give it a little bit of glue here just on the top, because you don't want nose is going to hang off the bottom. So you just want some little bit of glue on the top and stick it on the bottom of one of those folds. Just like so. Then you have a piece of crepe paper in your bag. Going to take your crepe paper and round off the bottom and give it a little bit of glue, and you're going to stick it inside your fold like this, and now you have a tiger tongue. And the rest of this just becomes drawing with your marker. So we're going to make some eyes. And we're going to give them some stripes. Maybe give them a few up top. And we have ourselves a tiger, if I can keep my finger in it, a tiger puppet. Thanks for joining us today.